If you have ever stepped into your car after it has been sitting in a parking lot on a 90-degree day, you know that the interior can feel like a literal oven. This is where window tint comes into play, which is a specialized film applied to the glass to darken it and block out unwanted energy. These films are typically made from a high-grade thermostatic polymer resin that is designed to withstand the elements while staying crystal clear from the inside looking out. For drivers in the United States, tinting is about much more than just looking cool or having some privacy. The primary benefit is protection from harmful ultraviolet rays. Those rays are what cause your leather seats to crack and your dashboard to fade over time, and a high-quality film can block nearly all of that damage. It also acts as a thermal barrier, reflecting heat away so your air conditioning doesn't have to work nearly as hard to keep the cabin comfortable. This can actually lead to better fuel efficiency because the engine isn't constantly bogged down by the AC compressor. Beyond the temperature, tinting provides an extra layer of safety because the adhesive film can help hold the glass together if it ever shatters during an accident or an attempted break-in. However, you have to be careful about local regulations. Most states require that your side windows allow at least 70% of light to pass through to ensure visibility for you and law enforcement. And applying any film to the front windshield is generally against the law. Checking your local statutes before an install is always a smart move to make sure your car stays street legal while you enjoy a much cooler and more protected ride.